Welcome to Vital Spark Insights. Are you ready to unleash your child's creativity? Introducing our new book, How to Draw Anything for Kids. Packed with 125 cute step-by-step drawing tutorials, this book makes art fun and easy for kids of all ages. From adorable animals and beautiful flowers to fun vehicles and delicious fruits, there's something for every young artist. Watch as your child learns to draw the alphabet, explore the ocean with sea animals, and much more. Encourage imagination, enhance fine motor skills, and build confidence, all while having a blast. The book will be released in just 3 days, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to Vital Spark Insights for more creative ideas and tips. Happy drawing!